Hello guys, welcome to Dreamy Luke. It's Luke here, and in this video I like to share with you some words in Spanish that I know for a fact many beginners, when they're trying to learn Spanish, are mispronouncing. You're not gonna just see these words, but also understand the base, so you can apply it with other words that share the same base. Okay, so let's go with the first one, which is rojo. It's very easy for English speakers to make a mistake here, because actually you will pronounce this as rojo. I'm sure of that. I've seen many times people doing this mistake. But actually in Spanish, the word J, for example, you will say in English journalist, the word J in Spanish is pronounced as H. So in this case, it will be rojo, red, rojo, not rojo, okay? So keep that in mind because you have many words in Spanish sharing this same base. You have many words in Spanish that begin or that have the letter J, and if you avoid this mistake, it's going to be very easy to pronounce it. Remember, J pronounced as H. The next one, and this one you are going to use it a lot if you're visiting Spain or if you want to stay in Spain, which is gracias. It's not gracias. It's not like that. I've seen many English speakers do this mistake, okay? It's gracias. C and I together are pronounced as ci. Another word will be ciudad. Ciudad, city. It's not ciudad. It's not gracias. It's actually gracias. Thank you. Most of the part of Spain is surrounded by this. Playa, beach. Playa. Here is not so tricky because actually the Y letter, it's pronounced kind of the same. But remember to do this G, playa, playa. And furthermore in this video, we're gonna talk about the two L's together and you're gonna see that they are very similar. Playa, think of it as a soft J in English. Playa, playa. Another thing that you have to master is the letter G along with E or I. For example, gente, people, gente, people. Coger, to take, coger, to take something. Fingir, to pretend something. Fingir, it's another way to see it. Remember, G along with I and E, remember that this is the pronunciation. Gente, fingir, gente, people, fingir, to pretend. This is a tricky one in Spanish. Any word starting with the letter H, or even if it's inside the word, you don't pronounce it. This is called the silent H. For example, huevos, eggs. As you can see, it has the H at the beginning of the word, but you don't pronounce it. It's there, you kind of try to say it, but you actually don't. Huevos, huevos. And the best example is alcohol. You'll say that in English, alcohol. But in Spanish, you don't pronounce the H. As you can see, you write it exactly the same, but you just don't pronounce it. You just pretend that it's not there. Another tricky one in Spanish is that the word V is more pronounced like B. For example, vino, which means wine. As you can see, at the beginning of the word is written with V, but actually I said vino. So you kind of try to pronounce the V as V. At this moment, I just want to point out that I'm trying to help you understand how we should pronounce them correctly. But if you still have problems pronouncing them, don't worry. People will still understand you. But you need to strive to do your best and try to learn them the proper way. The last one, as I said before, are those words that have the two L's. For example, my name is, yo me llamo. My name is Luke. Yo me llamo Luke. Llamo, my name, llamo, has the two L's at the beginning. So you will pronounce them something like the Y letter. For example, another one. Lluvia. Rain. Lluvia. So the two L's are pronounced as you, or ya, ya. It depends on the vocals that are starting after. Lluvia. Me llamo. Llorar. To cry. Llorar. So if you understand and master this, you're gonna be one step ahead of other beginners that are starting to learn Spanish. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you like it. Share it, subscribe, and leave me in the comments how easy it is for you to master all of this.